Matt.
Who are we talking about here? What people? Like Brett?
Chelsea.
Yep.
Daddy.
Yep.
Brett.
Who else?
Shelby.
Shelby? Who else?
And the mess is Eric.
Yeah. Okay, so do it again. So start over.
Auntie Dad.
Dove. What were you doing with the dove?
Chelsea. Daddy.
Oh, it's just
On the book. Shelby. Eric.
And what about him? They are who?
Dove.
Dove. Is that what you were doing, Dove?
Matt. 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 What are you doing?
Just recording your brother. Just recording JJ. He likes to put on a show.
Hey.
Are you Dove too?
Matt.
Or what about you? Are you Dove?
No.
Who else?
I'm to it.
Okay.